everyone, I Dr. Indu TK and you have been watching my videos on Geography of India. Today we will explore an essential aspect of India's natural wealth, its mineral and energy resources. These resources play a crucial role in countries' economic development and industrial growth. We will discuss the various types of minerals and energy resources found in India, their significance and challenges associated with their extraction and utilization. Let's embark on this journey to understand the backbone of India's resource economy. India is rich in mineral resources which are crucial for countries' industrialization and economic progress. The country has diverse range of minerals including both metallic and non-metallic types. These minerals are distributed unevenly across the country with certain regions being more resource rich than others. So, what exactly are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances found in the earth. They are not made by living organism. So, they are inorganic. Each mineral has a unique chemical composition and crystal structure which gives it specific properties. When classifying minerals, they are often categorized into two broad groups, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Let's start with metallic minerals. These are essential for manufacturing a wide range of products and are pivotal to various industries. Metallic minerals are those that contain metals and exhibit properties such as luster, conductivity and malleability. Let's break down these properties. First one is luster. Metallic minerals have a shiny appearance often resembling polished metal. Next is conductivity. They can conduct heat and electricity, making them valuable for electrical and thermal applications. Malleability and ductility. They can hammered or drawn into thin sheets and wires without breaking. Now, let's discuss the characteristics of metallic minerals. Here are some key characteristics of metallic minerals. First one is high density. Metallic minerals often have high density due to the close packing of atoms. Next is reflective surface. They reflect light while giving them a metallic sheen. Next is conductive. Good conductors of electricity and heat which makes them useful in electrical and thermal applications. Next one is form. They can occur in native form or has ores from which metals are extracted. Now, let's see the major types of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals can be broadly categorized based on the type of metal they contain. Here are some major types. The first one is ferrous metals, contain iron. Examples include iron used primarily to produce steel which is essential for construction and manufacturing. Second one is manganese, used in steel making to improve hardness and resistance to wear. Second one is non-ferrous metals, do not contain iron. The examples include copper ore used in electric wiring, plumbing and has an alloy with other metals. Next one is aluminum ore or bauxite. Lightweight and resistant to corrosion and used in transportation and packaging. The next one is lead ore, used in batteries, radiation shielding and has an additive in petrol. The next one is zinc ore, used for galvanizing steel to prevent rusting and in alloys like brass. Next, we will discuss four crucial metallic minerals, that is iron ore, bauxite, copper and lead or zinc. We will look at their major deposits across India their uses and their significance in various industries. First one is iron ore. Iron ore is one of the most important metallic minerals in India, serving as a foundational raw material for steel production. Let's explore its major deposits and uses. Major deposits. Jharkhand. This state has significant iron ore reserves, particularly in the Singvam and Daltonganj regions. Odisha. Odisha is known for its rich iron ore deposit in places like Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj. Next one is Chhattisgarh. The Baildila range in Chhattisgarh is a prominent source of high-grade iron ore. Next one is Karnataka. This state has extensive iron ore deposit in areas such as Bellary and Hospat. Next one is Goa. Goa's iron ore mines are also significant through their production has been impacted by environmental regulations. Next one we will see the uses. First one is steel production. Iron ore is primarily used in producing steel, which is essential for construction, infrastructure and manufacturing. India's steel industry heavily relies on iron ore to produce various grades of steel for domestic use and export. Next one is bauxite. Bauxite is the primary ore of aluminium and its extraction is critical for the aluminium industry. Here is a look at where bauxite is found and its uses. Let's see the major deposits. First one is Odisha. Odisha has extensive bauxite reserves in regions like Koraput and Kalhandi. Next one is Gujarat. The bauxite deposit in Gujarat are primarily located in Panchmahal district. Next one is Jharkhand. Bauxite is also found in Jharkhand, particularly in the West Singvam district. Next region is Maharashtra. Maharashtra's bauxite reserves are concentrated in the Kolhapur and Ratnagiri district. Next one we will see the uses. Bauxite is processed to extract aluminium, which is used in various applications due to its lightweight and corrosion resistant properties. Aluminium is crucial for the transportation industry, packaging and construction. Next one is copper. Copper is a versatile metal with several important industrial uses. Let's review its major deposits and applications. Major deposits. The first one is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has significant copper ore deposit, especially in the Khetri and Dariba regions. Next one is Madhya Pradesh. The Malanchganj region in Madhya Pradesh is a key source of copper. Next is Jharkhand. Jharkhand also contributes to copper production with deposits in the Singvam district. Uses. Electrical wiring. Copper's excellent electrical conductivity make it ideal for wiring and electrical components. Next is plumbing. Copper is used in plumbing system due to its resistance to corrosion. Next is industrial applications. It is also used in various industrial applications including machinery and electronics. Next one is lead and zinc. Lead and zinc are essential metals with a range of industrial uses. Let's look at their deposit and applications. Major deposits. First one is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a major source of zinc with significant deposits in Sawar mines and Rajpura Dariba belt. Next one is Andhra Pradesh. Lead deposits in Andhra Pradesh are found in the Srikakulam district. Next one is Uttar Pradesh. Lead deposits are also present in the Jhansi region of Uttar Pradesh. Uses. First one is batteries. Lead is used in lead acid batteries which are crucial for automotive and industrial applications. Next is coatings. Zinc is used for galvanizing steel to prevent rusting and lead is used in various coatings. Next is industrial products. Both metals are used in various industrial applications including alloys and pigments. Further, there are three major mineral belts in India, namely the northeastern plateau region, southwestern plateau region, and finally the northwestern region. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is northeastern plateau region. The major areas of northeastern plateau region are Chota Nagpur Plateau, Odisha, West Bengal and parts of Chhattisgarh. Iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite and mica are the major minerals of northeastern plateau region. The next region is the southwestern plateau region. The southwestern plateau region covers major parts of Karnataka, Goa, Tamil Nadu and uplands of Kerala. Major mineral resources of southwestern plateau region are iron ore, manganese and limestone. Kerala has deposits of monazite and thorium and bauxite clay, and Goa has deposits of iron ore. And the next region is the northwestern plateau region. The northwestern region covers the areas of Aravallis in Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. Major minerals of northwestern region are copper and zinc. Other significant minerals include sandstone, granite and marble along with gypsum and Fuller's earth deposit. In addition, Gujarat and Rajasthan both have rich sources of salt. The Himalayan belt is also an important mineral belt as it has rich deposits of copper, lead, zinc, cobalt and tungsten. Next, we will discuss non-metallic minerals. It plays a crucial role in various sectors including construction, manufacturing and electronics. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals that do not contain metals. They are essential in various industries including construction, agriculture and manufacturing due to their diverse properties and uses. Let's see their characteristics. First one, the lack of metallic luster. Unlike metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals do not have a shiny metallic appearance. Second one is poor conductivity. They are generally poor conductors of electricity and heat. Third one is non-malleable and non-ductile. These minerals cannot be molded into thin sheets or wires. The fourth one is insulating properties. Many non-metallic minerals are good insulators, making them valuable in electric and thermal applications. Next one is wide range of uses. They are used in industries like ceramics, fertilizers, glass making and more. Next is lower density. Non-metallic minerals usually have density compared to metallic minerals. Let's discuss into some of the key non-metallic minerals found in India, their major deposits and their uses. First one is limestone. Limestone is a fundamental non-metallic mineral with a wide range of applications. Major deposits. Rajasthan is renowned for its extensive limestone deposit, particularly in the districts of Udaipur, Chittorgarh and Pali. Next is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, significant limestone reserves are found in areas like Jabalpur, Katni and Satna. Next is Gujarat. Gujarat also has substantial limestone deposit with notable reserves in the Kutch and Saurashtra regions. The uses. First one is cement production. Limestone is a key raw material for cement production. It is crushed and heated to produce lime, which is then mixed with other materials to make cement. Next is lime production. Limestone is also used in the production of lime, which has application in agriculture, water treatment and steel making. Next is construction industry. In construction, limestone is used as a building material and for making aggregates for concrete and road construction. The next non-metallic mineral is mica. Mica is another important non-metallic mineral with unique properties. Let's explore its deposits and uses. Major deposit, the first one is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is one of the primary sources of mica in India with notable deposits in Girin and Kodarma district. Next region is Bihar, also has significant mica reserves, particularly in the districts of Gaya and Navada. Next region is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, mica deposits are found in Ajmer and Bewar regions. Next, we will see their uses. First one is electric and electronic industries. Mica's excellent insulating properties make it valuable for electric and electronic applications. It is used in components like capacitors and insulators. Next is cosmetics. Mica is also used in cosmetics for its shimmering effect, making it a popular ingredient in products like eyeshadow and lipstick. Next important non-metallic mineral is gypsum. Gypsum is a versatile non-metallic mineral with a range of industrial applications. Here is a closer look. First, we will see their major deposit. The first one is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has significant gypsum deposit, particularly in the districts of Barmer and Jaisalmer. Next region is Gujarat. In Gujarat, gypsum reserves are found in the Kutch and Saurashtra regions. The next region is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir also has gypsum deposit in the Ladakh region. Now let's see their uses. First one is cement production. Gypsum is used in the production of cement to regulate the setting time. It is added to clinker to produce different types of cement. Next is plaster production. Gypsum is also used to make plaster, which employed in construction for creating smooth surface and decorative elements. The next non-metallic mineral is salt. Salt is a basic yet essential non-metallic mineral with widespread uses. Let's see their major deposit. The first region is Gujarat. Gujarat is a major producer of salt with extensive salt pans located in the Kutch region and other coastal areas. The second region is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, salt production takes place primarily in the saline areas of the Thar desert. Now we can see their uses. The first one is human consumption. Salt is an essential mineral for human consumption necessary for maintaining electrolyte balance and overall health. Next is industrial processes. In addition to its dietary uses, salt is used in various industrial processes including chemical manufacturing, water purification and as a preservative in food processing. Next, we will discuss about the energy resources. Energy resources are essential for sustaining economic growth and improving the quality of life. They power our industries, transportation systems and homes. In India, these resources are broadly classified into two categories: conventional and non-conventional. Let's explore these categories in more detail. First one is conventional energy sources. Conventional energy resources have historically been the backbone of energy supply. Here is an overview of the key conventional energy resources in India. First one is coal. The major deposits, the first region is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is one of the most significant coal producing states in India with major coal fields such as Jharia, Bokaro and Dhanbad. Next region is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is another major coal producing state with significant deposit in the regions like Korba and Raigad. The next region is Odisha. In Odisha, key coal fields include Talcher and Ib Valley. The next region is West Bengal. West Bengal hosts important coal deposit in Raniganj and Bardhaman regions. Now let's see their uses. Electricity generation. Coal is a primary source of energy for generating electricity in thermal power plants. It accounts for the majority of India's electricity production. Next is industrial processes. Coal is also used in various industrial processes including cement manufacturing and steel production. Second one is oil and natural gas. Let's see their major deposit. Assam is one of the earliest regions in India to discover oil with significant deposits in Digboi and Nagar Khatia fields. Second region is Gujarat. Gujarat is another major oil producing state with significant oil fields in Ankleshwar and Cambay. Next region is Rajasthan. Rajasthan, particularly the Bhamar district, has emerging oil reserves. Next is the Mumbai High. Mumbai High is a prominent offshore field in the Arabian Sea, contributing significantly to India's natural gas production. Now let's see their uses. First one is transportation. Oil and natural gas are crucial for powering vehicles, ships and airplanes. Next one is heating. They are also used for heating purposes in various industries and residential settings. Next is petrochemical industry. These resources are raw materials for producing a wide range of petrochemical products including plastics and fertilizers. Next one is the hydropower. Let's see their major deposit. The Himalayan region, including states like Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, has significant hydropower potential due to its numerous rivers and high elevation. Northern eastern states, the states like Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim also have substantial hydropower resources. Now, let's see their uses. Electricity generation. Hydropower plants harness the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. It is a renewable and relatively clean source of energy. Irrigation and flood control. In addition to electricity, hydropower projects often contribute to irrigation and flood control measures. Next one is the nuclear energy. Let's see their major deposits. Uranium deposits in Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. India has uranium deposits in regions like Jaduguda in Jharkhand and Tumblabale in Andhra Pradesh, which are critical for nuclear energy production. Let's see their uses. Electricity generation. Nuclear power plants use uranium as fuel to generate electricity through nuclear fission. It is a low carbon energy source and helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Next, we will discuss the non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources are increasingly important as we seek more sustainable and environmentally friendly sources of energy. Here is a closer look at these resources. First one is solar energy. Their potential areas are, first one, Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a high solar potential due to its sunny climate and large desert area. The second region is Gujarat. Gujarat is another state with substantial solar resources with several large solar parks already in operation. Next region is Maharashtra. Maharashtra also has significant potential for solar energy, particularly in regions with high solar insolation. Let's see their uses. The photovoltaic cells. The solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Solar thermal power plants. Solar thermal systems use sunlight to produce heat, which is then used to generate electricity. Next one is wind energy. Tamil Nadu has one of the highest potential for wind energy with several wind farms in the Kanyakumari and Coimbatore regions. The second region is Gujarat, also has significant wind energy resources, particularly in the Kutch region. Next region is Karnataka. Karnataka has growing wind energy capacity, especially in the areas of Hubli and Belgaum. Let's see their uses. First one is electricity generation. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of wind into electricity. Wind power is a growing sector in India's renewable energy portfolio. Third one is biomass. The potential areas are biomass energy potential exists throughout the rural India where agriculture residue and animal waste are abundant. Let's see their uses. First one is electricity generation. Biomass can be used to generate electricity through combustion or gasification process. Next one is heating. It is also used for heating purposes in rural areas and small scale industries. The next one is the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy potential in India is still largely untapped with preliminary exploration in the regions like Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Let us see their uses. The power generation and heating. Geothermal energy harnesses heat from the earth's interior for electricity generation and heating applications. Now, let us see the significance of mineral and energy resources. Mineral and energy resources are integral to India's development for several reasons. First one, economic growth. Resources fuel industrial production and contribute to economic growth. They create jobs and support industries that are vital for countries' development. Second one is infrastructure development, essential for building infrastructure including roads, bridges and buildings. Next is energy security. Ensure a stable supply of energy for various sectors including manufacturing, transportation and residential use. Next one is export revenue. Mining and energy sectors contribute significantly to India's export revenue. Now, let us see the challenges in resource management. Despite their importance, managing mineral and energy resources poses several challenges. First one is environmental degradation. Mining and extraction activities can lead to deforestation, soil erosion and water pollution. Second one is resource depletion. Overexploitation of resources can lead to their depletion, affecting long-term availability. Third one, land conflicts. Mining operations often lead to conflicts with local communities and affect their livelihoods. Fourth one is technological and financial constraints. Developing and maintaining modern extraction and processing technologies can be costly and require significant investment. Government initiatives and policies. The Indian government has implemented several policies and initiatives to address these challenges. Let us discuss one by one. First one, National Mineral Policy, aimed to promote sustainable mining practices and ensure equitable distribution of mineral resources. Second one is renewable energy policies, includes targets for increasing the share of renewable energy in the national energy mix and promoting clean energy technologies. Next is environmental regulations, regulations to minimize the environmental impact of mining and energy extraction activities. Fourth one is technological advancements, encouraging research and development in sustainable mining practices and renewable energy technologies. Looking ahead, the future of mineral and energy resources in India involves first one, sustainable practices that emphasize sustainable mining practices and renewable energy sources to minimize environmental impact. Second is the technological innovation, investing in few technologies for efficient resource extraction and utilization. Next is diversification of energy sources, increasing the share of renewable energy in the energy mix to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. The fourth one is resource management, implementing better resource management practice to ensure the long-term availability of minerals and energy resources. To conclude, India's mineral and energy resources are crucial for its economic development and industrial growth. While these resources provide numerous benefits, managing them effectively and sustainably is essential for ensuring their availability for future generations. By adopting innovative technologies and sustainable practices, India can continue to harness its natural wealth while minimizing the impact on the environment. Thank you for your attention. That's the end of today's session. I hope you found it informative and engaging. See you all in the next series. Until then, goodbye.